Well, breaking news just coming in. There's been a huge uproar in the Maharashtra Assembly over Girish Mahajan's revolver issue. Girish Mahajan, remember, is Maharashtra's Water Resource Development Minister. He carried a revolver with him to a function that he attended with school children. Those are visuals on your screen of Girish Mahajan, in fact, carrying that revolver to a school function. The opposition members have demanded Girish Mahajan's resignation. The assembly has been adjourned after this issue created a massive furor in the House. NCP MLA Jitendra Awadh has also bought a fake revolver with him to protest against this particular issue. He says that he will give it to the Chief Minister and ask him whether meetings can in fact be conducted with a revolver in hand. What is particularly appalling is that Girish Mahajan in fact carried this revolver with him, on him, while he was attending a school function. Awadh has also gone on to protest, saying that Maharashtra was known for Dawood and Arun Gawli, and now it will gain notoriety once again for Girish Mahajan and his gang. Of course, Girish Mahajan shaming the Maharashtra Assembly over there by carrying that revolver on him to a school function. My colleague Kamlesh Sutar, tracking developments on this story, is joining me on the phone line. Kamlesh, the fact that Girish Mahajan has carried a revolver to a school function itself needs some explaining, but a huge uproar in the Maharashtra Assembly over the issue. Take us through the latest.
Well, certainly this issue was the Assembly, the moment when the sitting started, opposition members raised this issue, slogan against Girish Mahajan, and have demanded resignation of the Water Resources Minister Girish Mahajan, a very senior BJP leader from northern Maharashtra. They say that a minister carrying a revolver with him, that too in a school function, pictures his own government in bad light, as it seems that he doesn't believe the security that is given to him by the state government and doesn't believe in the law and order situation. However, opposition members also created uproar in the assembly.
Right.
Jitendra Awadh, NCP MLA, brought a fake revolver with him, and he claims that he will be carrying his revolver for further meetings with the Chief Minister, and whether, sarcastically he says that whether meetings will be conducted in this way. But BJP members, however, have come into defense of Girish Mahajan, saying that there is nothing wrong in carrying a revolver, since he has been having threat perception in the past and he carries it before he is being the minister. So after the pandemonium in the House was adjourned. The House will reassemble in some time, but it's likely going to, the scenes are going to be get more uglier as the Assembly assembles again.
All right, Maharashtra's Water Resource Minister Girish Mahajan under fierce criticism on the floor of the House for attending a school function with a revolver tucked in his waist. The BJP there trying to come out and defend the indefensible. The Maharashtra Assembly, remember, has been adjourned over the issue. Thanks, Kamlesh, for joining us with those details.